Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Energy Interiors and Designing. So this is the tutorial video which gives you insight on how and what different types of spaces we require to design a college or an institute. So how we can define an institute is basically an organization having a particular purpose, especially one that is involved with science, education or a specific profession. So the different spaces that we require to design an institute are basically the adequate space that must be provided with the classrooms or lecture halls and even tutorial rooms. There are also the provision of special rooms, staff room, office rooms, the space for the administration, common rooms, the space for library, computer labs and even corridors in the lobby for the circulation and the movement. So this is the example drawing which gives you an idea that how these spaces are arranged in an appropriate manner. So while designing an institute block, it's important to have the grand entry so that we have the sufficient space for the entry and the exit point. So here in the design, this is the main entrance and which has the staircase and also a ramp which walks us through the grand common waiting area. So this common area consists of all the visible spaces such as the staircase, the waiting area and the reception. Now in the design you can see that this wall, that is the entrance wall, has been chamfered. The reason is that we get the maximum area to arrange the different spaces on the floor plan. This is the common area of the institute's block which has been connected with the 3 meters wide corridor. As you can see in the layout that the 3 meters wide corridor has been designed in L shape. Furthermore, this corridor has the openings for all the spaces that have been designed on the ground floor. So therefore, when we design any educational building, the visibility factor is very important. So as in this case, as you can see in the layout that all the major spaces have been designed along the 3 meters wide corridor so that we can get the clear views and the visibility. So the first space is the admin space which has the area of around 73 square meters, has also been designed with a record room and a separate pantry only for the staff. So this curvilinear staircase over here, as you can see in the layout, is another part of the admin area which consists of conference room, registrar and a separate waiting for the conference and the registrar. Also, the conference room and the registrar have been designed with a separate toilet. So the other space that we consider while designing any academic block are the seminar halls, tutorials and the lecturer halls. So in this design, the ground floor has been designed with the 2 seminar halls, tutorial rooms and also the lecture halls. So seminar hall 1, tutorial room 1 and the lecture hall has been designed on the vertical part of the L shape as you can see in the layout, whereas the other seminar halls, tutorial room and the lecture hall have been designed on the horizontal part of the L shape. So the area for the seminar hall is around 147.2 square meters, whereas for the tutorial room it is 48 square meters and lastly for the lecture hall it is 72.8 square meters respectively. So the block has been designed with the office space also, and the area for the office spaces are 48 square meters and this office space has the area of around 23.2 square meters. There is a faculty room on the ground floor which has the area of around 48 square meters, that is 8 by 6 meters, which is also connected to the 3 meters wide lobby as you can see in the layout. The another services such as the store and the meter room have been designed next to the staircase, whereas the toilet facilities have been designed in the middle of the academic block. That is, here we have designed the boys' toilet in the vertical section of the L shape and the ladies' toilet have been designed on the horizontal section of the L shape. So the entire area for the ground floor is around 1,555 square meters. Furthermore, there are 2 staircases in the middle of the academic block which takes us to the first floor. So the first floor is also being designed with the same spaces such as the tutorial rooms, lecture halls and the seminar halls, also with the faculty rooms. Also the floor has been designed with the computer lab which has the area of around 188 square meters and also a library which is divided into sections. So one section of the library which has the glass glazing has the area of of 123.4 square meters, whereas the another section of the library has the area of around 67.34 square meters. The terraces are also being designed on both parts of the L shape. So one is designed at this section, which is the vertical part of the L shape, and the another one is designed on the horizontal part of the L shape. The toilets have been designed on the same location as on the ground floor, and both the toilets have been designed with a service duct so that pipes can pass through from all the floors. On the first floor, this is the huge cutout over the common waiting area, and the cutout has been designed with 100 mm thick brick wall at the height of 800 mm from the floor. So the staircase, which is designed in the middle of the academic floor, is the RCC staircase, which has the stainless steel railing. This again takes us to the second floor. As you can see in the layout, this is the floor plan of the second floor, which has the area of around 1158.32 square meters. Now the second floor has also been designed with the tutorial rooms and a lecture hall with the same area, which has been connected with a 3-meter wide corridor. Now this corridor has openings for other spaces also, such as the common room and faculty rooms. Also, there are the provision of the terraces on the second floor. So one terrace is located over here, which has the dimension of around 12.15 by 10.9 meters. And another terrace has the area of around 11.6 by 12.15 meters. So this is the entire second floor, which has been designed beautifully in L shape with the proper arrangement of all the spaces so that we can get the maximum natural light and the ventilation. Lastly, this is the terrace plan, which has been designed with 200 mm thick brick wall and a height of 900 mm from the terrace floor level. Now, as you can see in the layout, that the complete terrace floor has been designed with the different slope sections, which means the water will flow towards this direction where the arrow has been marked, and it will pass through from this rainwater pipe which has been installed in the entire terrace floor plan. The terrace floor has also been designed with a 2-staircase tower, which is also called as the Mufti, and this staircase tower has been designed with 200 mm thick wall at a height of 2300 millimeters. So this is the front elevation, which shows you the various elements that have been used in the design, such as the architectural columns and the pattern that has been used for the railings, the structural glass glazing, the 2 brick planters in the front, and also the wide-heighted glass windows for the natural light and the ventilation. Lastly, this is the detail of the site layout where the academic blocks have been placed in a different manner. So the entire one number is the academic section, which is a typical block detail that we have discussed. So on the side, this is the main entrance, which has the main road for the academic blocks. The other spaces that we require on the side are the students' hostel, which is number 2, has been designed on the end of the side, and the mess for the students has been also designed next to the students' hostel, that is on the end of the side. So 4th is the auditorium, which is designed next to the entrance. 5th is a complete administration building, which is designed at the south direction of the site, whereas the food court area, that is a 6th number, has been designed at the southwest corner of the site. Now the food court area or the canteen has been designed on this side so that we can reduce the movement and the circulation for the students. Now 7th number is the medical facilities, which is again designed, which has been designed next to the students' hostel and the mess. The next space on the side is the library, which has been designed on the middle of the site so that all the academic blocks can get the easily access to this part of the site. Now the open amphitheater has been designed on this location so that it gives the clear view and the visibility of this existing green area over here. The next space is the space for the students, which is the sports complex, has been designed next to the students' hostel so that it can be easily accessible for the students who are living in the hostel. The next space is the most important, which is the parking space, and the parking has been scattered everywhere in the design. There are 2 big parking, especially at the entrance. Also, there is 1 parking which has been designed next to the sports complex. Also, the 1 parking area has been designed next to the administration building. The next space is the staff accommodation, which is designed next to the sports complex. Also, there is a provision location of the senior staff bungalows on the site, which has been designed on the end of the site, which is the north direction, and also which is next to the medical facility. Over here, as you can see in the layout, the 13th number is the complete staff bungalows, specially designed for the senior staff. Also, the site has been developed with the guest house, which has been designed for the guest faculties and especially for the speakers. Also, it's been designed with the dean's bungalow. So this is the entire site area, which gives you an insight of how the academic buildings have been designed. The arrangement of all the spaces are very important so that we get the clear view and the visibility, and there is no confusion for this type. For example, in the design, the main roads have been designed in such a way so that we get a clear view of all the building blocks. So I hope you liked the tutorial of the academic building typology. For more videos and updates, please click on the subscribe button, and for the subscription, please click on the link that I have provided in the description box. Till then, thank you.